who is in sports will always love to, represent their country in Olympics. So I really pray and I hope we'll be the ones to represent our people.
3x3 is a very interesting sport. At some point you find yourselves training with both the men, the women all together. I would say the ladies have gained much because they have to play against the men most of the time. They're the ones who are getting their physicality in check, and I think that's a good thing for us. Coming into this camp, it was one very special camp. We had every aspect of the game covered by the SNC. That was the best thing that ever happened to this camp. I've been to this platform, and I think that is one thing that really worked out well for us. And he was a person who is basketball oriented, so he knew what players needed, and that was a plus.
The team is ready. We've been training for like 3 months, preparing for the event. We've had like different players coming to help us to get better. We've had film sessions, analyzing the teams in our pools. So I'd say we are very much prepared, and guys are geared up for the competition. And the addition of Albert is really a good addition because he brings the experience from abroad. He understands the game, so I think we have a very good chance of winning.
So pleased that we managed to get 2 internationals to come and join our squad, and I believe with this squad we should be able to make it to position 1. Our challengers are quite strong in our team. For the men, we have Mali, Benin, Madagascar, and Morocco. And we believe that with all those opponents, we should be able to sail through to the semis. And once we sail through to the semis, we hope to win the finals. The preparations that we had the teams put into different scenarios, and these scenarios are just to enable us to be in a position to play depending on the opponent, what the opponent will give us. So we have great players who are able to shoot the ball from range. We have very good post players, and we also have players who will make the fans enjoy the game. So we like to encourage and urge the fans to watch the games and also to cheer us as we win this coming trophy. So I'll talk of the men, and then I'll invite the ladies coach to come and talk of the ladies. So the men's team, we have Fahim, who is will be our first pick. We also have Ariel, who is the team captain. Then we have Odero, who is also the international player that has just come from the US. And lastly, we have Victor Electric, who is also coming to be the 4th person.
Aya, muthiani atena cio mbitika cia Elijah Lidonde Memorial iria kana cup Ikarugamirira. Kere ni Itanyiitwo kana